Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you wanna learn and become a TypeScript pro. We have here number 533. I don't know how the numbers get that high that quickly, but whatever. Easy concat. Implement the JavaScript array.concat function in the type system. A type takes 2 arguments. The output should be a new array that includes input in LTR order. I guess this is left to right. For example, type result equals concat array1 and array2. Expected to be array1, 2, alright. Let's first go over the mdn concat method. So what this does is basically all values of the second array get appended at the end of the first array. Now let's check it out in code. So we have here again our test type concat. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this here, and it should then be 1, 2, 3, 4 all in one array. But right now it's any. I don't know if the inputs have to be arrays, but I would think so. Let's try it. Extends any array and extends also any array. So basically what we just have to check is u extends array with ... infer_rest, or let's call it infer_second because we are getting the values of the second array here. If that's the case, then we return a tuple with t. Can I spread t even? I don't even know. Let's try this. T and second. If that is not the case, then this should be never, I guess. The first test is 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks pretty good, but I see already here a test that is red. A red test, that's what I wanted to say. Tuple as const. Type false does not satisfy the constraint true. Let's check what type of tuple even is. First of all, type of tuple read only 1. What happens if we put in here the read only constraint? Nothing. Okay, then let's leave that out. By the way, if you're asking why any and not unknown, it doesn't make a difference, at least here. You have to watch out where you use any and where unknown. You can basically always, if you're not sure, take unknown. But here, where you just constrain the parameters of a generic, it's definitely the same to use any or unknown, because you're not really assigning the any to any variable. So you're just saying, okay, you can be an array of whatever, and obviously it's fine if that's any, but you're not saying suddenly, okay, let's use any here, which breaks the entire type system because it cascades everywhere. Okay, type of tuple does not work. Type false does not satisfy the constraint true. What does that even mean? Type read only does not satisfy the constraint unknown array. Is read only? Okay, I thought what it says here, type read only one array is read only and cannot be assigned to a mutable type unknown. But I thought that didn't do anything. Type false. Okay, that's just the error message of the test. So what do we get here? Never. Okay, because somehow this doesn't, probably because it has to extend read only. Now we got it. Okay, because we have to check, is this a read only array, because otherwise it does not match read only arrays. All the tests pass now, and I would say we check out the online solutions. English, type tuple read only unknown array, extends tuple, okay. Oh, that's easy. Wow. Okay, let's reconsider this. When looking at the concat, we constrain already the inputs t and u to tuples, aka read-only unknown arrays. That means we don't have to check it again. That means we can simply return an array where we spread both arrays, which makes absolute sense. I just thought I have to do this to get the access to the values, but obviously I don't. I mean, I did it correctly with t, so we can do this immediately with u, and then we have here a much cleaner working solution. Let's check this out. Do we see anything else? Read only is also read only. Okay, I would say we're good. Great. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.